Now, children, as soon as your father comes,
Honey, I'm home.
he is home. Hi, honey.
Daddy.
Yeah, so good to see you.
How was your day today,
It was
sweetie?
great. How was yours?
It was good.
That's good. Are you ready for dinner?
I am actually.
That's great.
I'm starving.
That's great. It's
Johnny,
porridge.
how was your day?
It was good.
Porridge.
We played baseball today.
Baseball.
Our team won.
That is good. Did you hit a home run?
Yes.
Good
And then
job.
we threw balls at each other.
Good job, Johnny. Good job. Ellen, how was your day? It was good? That's good. That's good. Dude, what are we having tonight?
Porridge.
Ew.
Sorry, we're out
Johnny.
of meatloaf.
Love your mom's porridge.
Did you hear that?
What is that?
Sounds like screaming children.
I thought it was pigeons.
Why are all these children
Wait,
screaming?
why are there children
Do you
out
hear
there?
that?
Why are there
Do you hear
children?
Honey,
Why?
I don't know what that is.
Why are there children?
I don't know. All the children.
Why are there children
They're
out there
screaming.
window playing?
All the children. What are these things they have in their hands? What is it?
I don't know,
Looks like they're playing baseball.
I don't know. Maybe we should get together and run away as a family and never come back.
We should do that.
Yes.
Let's go,
Let's go,
kids.
family. Let's go.
Let's go.